She called you. Nothing. She texted. No reply. You went silent. And in that silence, her mind exploded. The psychology fact. When a woman doesn't hear from someone she cares about, her brain doesn't wait. It creates stories. And not good ones. She doesn't think, oh, he's busy. She thinks, did I do something wrong? Is he with someone else? Does he even like me? This is not drama. This is science. Her brain uses something called emotional projection. When there's no info, she fills the gap with fear, with memories of past pain, with old heartbreaks. And it hits harder because women are wired to connect, to read emotions, to care, to feel. Silence equals rejection, even if it's not. The hidden truth. Dr. John Gottman, a top relationship psychologist, studied couples for 40 years. He found silent treatment is one of the most damaging behaviors in love. It's called stonewalling, and it triggers the brain like physical pain. For her, your silence isn't calm. It's a storm. She replays every word, every look, every text. Was I too clingy? Did I scare him off? Am I not enough? And late at night, when the world is quiet, that silence you gave her, it screams. What to do instead? Don't go silent. Even if you're hurt. Even if you need space. Say, I need time to think. I still care. That small sentence, is it enough? Yes. It calms her brain. It stops the spiral. Women don't need perfect words. They need one thing: to feel safe. When you break silence with kindness, you don't lose power. You gain trust. Let's try this simple psychology trick and let me know the result in the comment.